interesting. Dual VoLTE and a dedicated micro SD card slot. So let's go ahead, unbox it and check what it is like. As usual, the first thing that comes out of the box, and it's a TPU case that you get along with a SIM ejector tool. So I'm going to keep that aside. Next up, it's the smartphone. So this is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And the version we have here with us is called Halo White. As you can see, it kind of reminds us of the Xiaomi Mi A3. Let's go ahead and get the wraps of this device, and this is a clear look at the back of the smartphone. As you can see, it's quite flashy. Let's power it on and go through the box contents. So there's the charger that you get in the box as well, and this is an 18 watt charger that is bundled in the box. USB Type-C port, nothing surprising there. So you get an 18 watt charger in the box, and like I've said before, the phone packs in a 4500 milliamp hour battery. Let's keep the box aside. Quickly set it up. As you can see, the device runs on MIUI 10, so we can expect it to be running on Android 9 Pie. As you can see, it does have a fingerprint scanner. It's not an in-display, it's a traditional capacitive fingerprint scanner. And what is interesting is that it's positioned in the camera module itself, so it's slightly raised. Set it up. So while the device is getting set up, let me run you through the hardware. So you've got the power and the volume rockers on the right. At the top, you do have an IR blaster. You have an IR blaster and the secondary noise cancelling microphone. The earpiece sits right between the display and the frame. The interesting bit is that there is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and the back, and it's curved at the back, which makes it comfortable to hold in the hand. At the bottom, you've got your 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, and the loudspeaker. There are two trays on the left. It's a little surprising there. The first tray, you get a nano SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot. That's for the first one. The second one is a nano SIM slot. So as you can see, which pretty much means that the device has two nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot, so storage is expandable further without compromising on a second SIM. Let's put that back in. The device is set up. Quickly unlock the device. Now, the device does come with quite a few apps pre-installed from Xiaomi. So you can see Mi Community, Mi Pay, Mi Store, Mi Credit, Paytm, Amazon Alexa. So that is something interesting. We'll check it out in our full review. So the device is running Android 9 Pie, and we have the 8GB RAM 128GB version of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is the top of the line device, and at the front, like we said before, it has a big 6.53-inch display. And at the back, let's talk about the cameras now. So it's got a quad camera setup. It's a little surprising because these three are the camera sensors, whereas the fourth one is the fingerprint scanner. What is interesting is that right below the flash is the fourth sensor, and that is the macro sensor. So in the setup, you have a 64 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and a depth sensor. So that is what the setup is like on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And it's got a water drop notch at the top here, which houses the 20